Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand. Basically what this is a portable desktop folding fan, so it's actually folded down and fold it back up when you actually need it. So I mentioned how it has a power supply, so you can actually use it as a power bank. It has a wide angle for the fan itself and has a long time of working for the product itself. If we turn on the side right here, tell you guys some more facts about the product itself. So it's adjustable to 180 degrees. It has 4 different speed levels and it's super portable. But first thing first, I'm actually opening up the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what it looks like inside right here. Let's take it out. So first thing you see right here is a user manual to teach you guys how to use the product itself. And then right here we have the actual product itself right here. You can see it's quite big. Side by side comparison right here to my head. And the back there should provide you guys a cable as well. So right here is the cable. So it is a USB to USB-C cable that they use to recharge the product itself. And right here we have the actual product itself. If you can see, it's really big. So like I mentioned, it is a foldable design right here. So it's go like this. That's the furthest it can go. So once you guys open it like this, you guys can just hold it like this and blow yourself. Or you can fold it up like this and put it onto a flat surface. So you actually blow directly at you like this. Or another option you can actually use as well is that if you guys open this all the way, you guys can hang this onto the wall like that to use it as a wall fan if you guys want to, which is super awesome. Otherwise, you can go push it back like this and just use it like that. If we turn on the side right here, you can see there's some slot for you to plug in a cable. So this one is for charging the product itself, and this one is charging your other device. So you can actually use it as a power bank, which is super convenient. And right here is a power button to activate it. And here are the indicator light to show you guys the battery life and the different speed level here as well. So it's definitely really cool how they actually provide you guys a power bank option right here for emergency. So if you need to recharge your phone, you definitely have that option available. And obviously this product, the way how they design it is super convenient. So you can use it anywhere. If you guys want to bring it with you guys when you guys are hiking, when you guys are camping, you're hanging it somewhere as like a fan, you definitely can do all of that on here. And for this product, they mentioned how there's supposed to be 4 different speed levels. Let's turn it on and see whether or not that's true. So that's speed level 1, speed level 2, speed level 3, and speed level 4. And it turns off. And then the motor that they use in here is a 12-core motor. You have inverted this image if you're curious about what I mean. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Let's try out the charging output right here first and see when it actually works. And then once we do that, then we'll actually test out the product itself. So I'm going to use the cable that they provide for us here. Alright, so once we have it plugged in, you guys can see that light indicator right there to show you guys that it's charging. Now let's test out this option right here. So I'm plugging my USB cable right here first. Alright, so we have it plugged in. Then I'm actually plugging the other part onto that phone itself. Alright, so it doesn't look like it actually works when it's charging the product itself. Let me try again, but unplugging the charging cable. Alright, so I unplugged the other cable. Let's try again. Alright, so you can see that actually does work. Though I guess when you guys are plugging in the cable to charge the fan itself, you guys cannot actually use it as a power bank to charge the devices. But once you guys unplug the cable, it can definitely work. But when you guys actually plug in the cable to charge up the fan itself, the fan actually still works. Let me show you guys what I mean. Alright, since you have it plugged in right here, so I turn it on. It still works. Alright. So now let me just test out the dB on here and see how loud it is for each different speed level right here. Alright, so I got my tester right here. Let's turn it on. Speed level 1. Speed level 2. Speed level 3. And speed level 4. Alright, so you see the test itself is not that bad. It's actually pretty quiet. It never reached above 50 until I turned it on speed level 4. Because on speed level 4 it's like an off and on mode where it actually goes high speed and goes back to low speed. So that's actually pretty good. That means it's actually pretty quiet. But let's actually test that out to see how powerful it is. Alright, so speed level 1 is pretty good. It feels kind of strong. Let me bring it to speed level 2. Alright, speed level 2 is a little bit more stronger, but I'm pretty surprised with how quiet it is and how well it works. Let me try speed level 3. Alright, so speed level 3 is definitely the strongest one so far. I'm still kind of amazed of how quiet the product is compared to a lot of other fans out there. Let me try it on speed level 4. Alright, it's actually really quiet and actually works really well. I definitely love this option as well. It's kind of like an eco mode if I think about it, because when you guys are using it, it goes to like a low speed and it boosts back up to like a high speed, and it goes back to low speed and boost back up to high speed. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and test the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that any kind of like portable desktop fan that's very similar to this one right here, where you can save a lot of space, you guys can actually put it on a table or you can hang on the wall. If the product itself is very similar to this one right here, then I would definitely have to say that this is worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.